And how was Shoya for you as a person?
He was a very special person. Not only he was a good rider, but he was funny. He had a good sense of humor. He was very professional. But most I will keep in mind is it's just the way he worked, because he was like a butterfly. So he was going around the paddock talking to people, and he was coming to me and say, Jill, can we talk about motorcycle? I say, yeah. Say, when, what time? Okay, 4 o'clock. So around 4 o'clock he was coming, and as soon he was sitting down with me, he was shifting in the riding mode. And he didn't spend too much time reading data with me in front of the computer. Basically what he wanted was to talk about what he could do on the bike, what the change we made on the bike, and basically what he was interested in is how he could master his riding. And that was, from my point of view, it was a very interesting thing to do, because we have a lot of discussion. It was not a technical matter, basically talking, in the matter of the motorcycle. It was what can you do with a motorcycle, how you can ride it, and how far you can push a bike.
Yeah.
And then when you hit this point, how we can help you when you do this. And he was so much interested in doing this, and that was very interesting. And as soon we stopped talking, he was just standing up, switching again in the butterfly mode, and then start to laugh again and talking to people and just going away. He was very special in this regard. Yeah, very special.
He's ready.
What's going on?
Go Yuki. In. Hayama. Serious. Hey buddy. Hey, Tomizawa's dad.
Tout le monde est encore là.